Abia inside here, man. Now listen to me very well. And let nobody go contrary to this directive. In the past, I didn't want to complain. Na hende governor Nigerian shine in the ward. On a ward. Some of them, Papa, just very few. Then they are trying on a ward. Even the party now complain. The way a government. We have decided in Owerri Municipal that how will the government change. Every member of the ward will come to Owerri Municipal. And word by word. Ebepeya, Kea Rura to everybody. Nobody will take any bag and put in his vehicle. It won't have anything. Only one cup of Gary. Yauru one paint. Are you hearing me? Yes, sir. Let nobody here shortchange anybody of any sort. Because that would be unacceptable. For example, Urabakola and now. I'll give an example with GRA ward. Assuming they will hear 30 bags of rice. The GRA didn't hear really 30 running. Probably I want one bag like are you hearing me? The GRA didn't get that. You want only 15. And look around when can they have two bags of rice? The GRA here. No, 60. More than 30 bags. Kenya, 90. Kenya, 3 persons to 1 bag. 120. Kenya, 4 persons to 1 bag. 150. 5 persons to 1 bag. Just like that. Are you hearing me? You don't join your land in Shigeru area. Manashi, Abo meeting. What? Delta would to come. Are you hearing me? I told you, I'm councillor. Bigger one back. No councillor should take anything from here. Are you hearing me? GRA, for example, if there's him here, don't give him. Are you hearing me? You can't have one. The way came she came on don't give chairman. Chairman. So run the board, the associate. Councillors, supervisors, the same. Councillors, all look at the bags of rice. Ganunga, make picture all of them. Yes, only 1 cup each. We don't have anything. Only on Amarashi. Yaru yoga grumble. Kashi ekera 1 cup. Ndo doki agranini 1 cup. Ndo zopa 1 bag. Gapra 1 bag. Are you hearing me? Kanu ba abonya obi. Alawi. Alawi. Tiko. Nan opa makage. Ndoni neshi. Aladima 2. Get 1 cup. Yes, sir. Report. If I get the report and they will anybody, subject anybody. When I'm more than those of the that person should consider it a personal war between me and that person. And I will arrest you. Youth leader, and I will take it. He get GMA, I pay GRA. Make sure that he never hear GRA. Take it a pro rata. The youth and the same women leaders. Make sure everybody gets equal before you leave here. Young people, any woman leader, one bag. For youth leader, nothing like that. Okay, can I gala municipal? APC. APC Raziza. Irona Hoporo. Irona Hoporo. Maniba Hopupu. My John Debu. Iye Chipazi. John Debu. Achia Gewaka. Ati Pasaya Shege.